Uh, Chairman, asking ko lang rin po since you're in office na rin po, paano po yung magiging, yung, paano po yung magiging staple yung sa growing, yung sa the world, and yung ibang business ventures niyo po na kayo na po yung nakalungkot po as PSC Chair?
We will, definitely there will be a new rowing president. Yung Duck World po, wala talaga na akong kinalaman dyan. Meaning, I started it, I'm happy kung anong nagawa niya para sa Philippine sports. But there are other capable partners in that organization. Alam niyo, katulad ng huling Tour of Luzon, Duck World ang nakikita niyo, pero the men and women behind it, yung mga volunteers na tumulong dyan, yung mga leaders na nandyan, kaya nilang itaguyo dyan. And sa totoo lang, dapat po mas maraming Duck World pa ang mangyari sa Philippine sports. Kailangan mas maraming partnerships pa with the NSAs. Because we will really encourage the NSAs to do something. And ito, let me take this opportunity, but I don't really want, I cannot give you the details yet, but let me just give you an idea of what we plan to do. Napakaraming NSAs sa natin, 20 na yata, 18. Alam niyo po kung tayo'y mabibigyan ng pondo at mabibigyan ng resources at mabibigyan ng support ng private sector. And they've mentioned this to a few commissioners already. Ang gusto ko talagang itaguyod is a national championship per NSA. Ang gusto ko po talagang itaguyod is NSAs, you've been very busy taking care of your athletes. Can we do something as far as national championship is concerned? Yung national championship basketball, national championship bowling, national championship chess, national championship per region. Because I think if we can develop it in that manner and the NSAs take the lead, palagay niyo ba po yung region na may team, si governor at si mayor, papabayaan yung team niya? Then you see grassroots, genuine grassroots development. So, yan po, pag-aaralan natin mabuti yan. Pero nung na-realize natin sa tagal ko po sa sports, yes, meron ka pong palarong pambansa, DepEd ako partner, meron ka pong Batang Pinoy, meron ka pong PNG. Ano ang role ng mga katulad kong napakatagal sa NSA? Kilala ko yung atleta namin. Kilala ko kung saan sila galing. Alam ko kung nasaan sila. Ngayon, mas laparan ko yung pananaw para sabihin, NSA, alagay nyo ba kaya nating gumawa ng Philippine championship sa bawat sport na kung saan kayo leader? Kung paano gagawin, pag-usapan po natin. That is the reason why I want to meet the NSAs as soon as possible.
Chairman, so safe po na yung sa iba na muna po madadelegate yung Duck World plan po and other na prior commitments niyo po?
Yes, definitely. Everything takes a backseat. Itong pagkakataon na nandito tayo bilang chairman ng PSC, 13th chairman of the PSC, lucky 13th, we will not miss the chance. And sandaling panahon lang ho yan, before you know it. Tapos ng termino natin. So, in the same manner na in my first term as rowing president, tayo po ay nakapagpadala ng 2 Olympiad. We will focus on that. And kailangan ko lang talaga ng tulong ng lahat.
Thank you.
Means to say, give back muna, Chairman. Everything takes backseat na mo.
Oo, ikaw naman ang manlibre.
Good morning po, Chairman. This is Philip Natel po from Rappler. We have several high-level competitions po na i-host ng bansa this year. Kasi po ng FIVB at saka ng FIFA Futsal. Like, ano po magiging mandate ng PSC regarding the hosting and helping the NSAs to have a quality hosting of the country? Kasi kung sinabi niyo po kanina doon sa briefing natin sa taas na gusto niyo rin po maging hub of sports tourism ng bansa natin.
Ano kasi ako talaga believer ako sa sports tourism, di ba? Bakit ako believer dyan? Because the biggest tourism events in the world are sporting events. But it is not cheap. As a matter of fact, it is very expensive. Isa po sa importante lang siguro dapat nating ma-align is that before we encourage our NSAs to bid for international competitions, kung maaari lang po i-align natin sa PSC para makapagpaalam tayo sa Malacanang. Kasi mahirap habulin yung funds pag hindi po natin pinagandaan. Pero personally, I am a believer of sports tourism. I lived in Cebu for so many years. Nakita ko kung paano ginawa ni Commissioner Ed Hyco yung pagtaguyod niya ng dance sport at paano libo-libong tao pumupunta sa Cebu for dance sport. Tagal din po ako sa Davao. Nakita ko lahat ng sporting events pag dinadayo yung mga regions. So, if we plot it well, if we can allocate funds the right way, then we will encourage all of the NSAs to host. Ang importante lang po, wag lang tayo magulat na nanalo na pala, wala pang pondo. Mahirap po yun. So, kasama naman sa endorsement ni Chairman Diti kanina yung mga international events na parating. Alam ko po yan, yung volleyball ni Sir Tats, yung futsal nila football, tsaka yung
Gymnastics.
ni Ma'am
Gymnastics.
Cynthia. Silipin po natin yan. I will definitely confer with the BSC committees para lang siguraduhin natin that these are successful hostings. Ulitin ko lang po, as long as we plot it well in the next couple of years, then let's go for it. As long as mapag-usapan lang bago tayo mag-bid. Kasi mahirap maghabulan kung mapapahiya lang tayo sa bidding natin. And in my more than 30 years of experience in the sports and tourism sector, maganda naman po yung experience ko when it comes to all of these hostings. So as long as we plot it well.
Thank you, Chair.
Good afternoon, sir. Ivan from Tawag Philippines and Pilipinas. Just to follow up to sa question ni Ivan earlier about sa national championship. So how will you plan to limit the participants safely? Kasi for example, kung magkakaroon ng national championship for basketball, baka sabihin, ang mag-champion hindi galing MPBL. Kung galing naman sa Mobile Legends, hindi MDL Philippines, magagaling MDL Philippines. How do you plan to limit the participants?
Wala pa tayong harapan. Definitely, it's a framework that we need to discuss with the NSAs in trying to analyze kung anong gusto natin magampanan dito. That's of course grassroots development. Gusto natin proud province, proud nation, proud region. Ay mga Pilipino, regionalistic tayo eh. Di ba yung attachment natin sa local athlete natin nandun eh. Pero kung ano yung detaling yan, I guess in the next few weeks we will plan that with all the NSAs para lang masigurado natin na successful, tsaka talaga namang yung kung anong benepisyo nung gagawin natin yun.
But since you said it's grassroots, does that mean no pros?
I cannot answer that yet, but soon we will figure that out.
Thank you, Sir.